Hello, people. Today I am waiting outside my classroom because basically the classroom where I conduct my class in the afternoon is locked. That's why I'm outside the classroom. And today I worn this long skirt. You know, let's see if you can see it. Long skirt. Okay, random things I keep doing. And normally I don't record outside when people are watching. Like I have a one member audience looking at me. But yeah, see, I never opted for conducting the class in the afternoon, but it was like I said this in my previous video that sometimes, no, like when you are selfless, the universe also rewards you because afternoon classes tend to be very relaxed. It's like, I mean, the kids showing up itself is a big deal, like, and so see, and then soon after afternoon, then it rolls into the evening. So then evening, I'm free to just, 5 o'clock the class gets done. So it all works out. So this is good. So now that's what I've realized, that being selfless, the universe rewards you. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.